the ultimate guide to traveling the world. For free? Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. We're talking about how to travel the world for free. I'm talking free flights, free accommodation, free experiences, the whole 9 yards. So if you're ready to ditch that soul-crushing 9-to-5 and trade it for a life of adventure, hit that subscribe button, buckle up, and get ready for the ride of your life. Alright guys, let's kick things off with everyone's favorite travel hack: travel hacking. Now, I'm not talking about any shady business here. We're talking about using credit card points and miles to score free flights, hotel stays, and even upgrades. First things first, you need to find the right credit card. There's a ton of options out there, but you want to look for ones with juicy sign-up bonuses, like a huge chunk of miles just for signing up. Trust me, those miles add up fast. Once you've got your card, use it for everything. Groceries, gas, that new camera lens you've been eyeing, put it all on the card. But, and this is crucial, pay it off in full every month. Now, here's the fun part: redeeming those miles. Airlines have these things called award charts that show you how many miles you need for different flights. Do your research, find the sweet spots, and boom! You're flying business class to Bali for the price of an economy ticket to Cleveland. You can use those points for hotels too. Be strategic, play the long game, and watch those free trips roll in. Alright, so maybe you're not the credit card type. That's cool, we've got you covered. Ever heard of working in exchange for travel? Yeah, you heard me right. There are tons of programs out there that let you trade your skills for free room and board, and sometimes even a little pocket money. One of my favorites is WWOOFE, which stands for Worldwide Opportunities on Organic Farms. It's exactly what it sounds like. You work on an organic farm somewhere around the world, helping out with everything from planting crops to milking goats. And in exchange, you get a roof over your head, delicious home-cooked meals, and the chance to learn about sustainable living. Then there's Workaway and HelpX, which are similar to WWOOF, but offer a wider range of opportunities. The beauty of these programs is that you get to immerse yourself in a new culture, meet like-minded people from all over the world, and gain valuable skills, all while keeping your wallet happy. It's a win-win, guys. Couchsurfing, crashing with locals and making friends worldwide. Okay, now let's talk about my all-time favorite way to travel for free: couchsurfing. Now before you wrinkle your nose and picture sleeping on some stranger's moldy futon, hear me out. Couchsurfing is so much more than just a free place to crash. It's a global community of travelers who are all about connecting with people from different cultures and sharing their love of travel. The basic idea is simple. You create a profile on the Couchsurfing website, fill it out with information about yourself, your interests, and your travel plans, and then you start browsing through profiles of hosts in the places you want to visit. When you find someone who seems cool, you send them a personalized request, explaining why you want to stay with them and what you're hoping to get out of the experience. Be respectful of your host's space, offer to help out around the house, and be open to sharing stories and experiences with them. The best part about couchsurfing is that you get to see a destination through the eyes of a local. It's a truly life-changing experience that I recommend to everyone. Score big wins with travel contests and giveaways. Alright guys, let's talk about how to travel for free by winning free trips. Yep, you heard me right. Travel contests and giveaways are like the lottery for wanderlusters, and you might be surprised at just how many opportunities are out there. First things first, you gotta know where to look. Websites like The Points Guy, Travel Plus Leisure, and Condé Nast Traveler regularly feature travel giveaways, so make sure to bookmark those and check them often. You can also follow your favorite travel brands and influencers on social media, as they often host contests and giveaways to promote their products or destinations. The key is to do your research, read the rules carefully, and make sure the contest is being run by a reputable company or organization. When it comes to entering these contests, consistency is key. The more contests you enter, the higher your chances of winning. Remember, you can't win if you don't play. Another tip is to personalize your entries. The more you enter, the closer you'll get to scoring that dream trip. Volunteer abroad. Make a difference while you travel. All right, guys, let's talk about how to travel the world while making a difference. I'm talking about volunteering abroad. Now, this one's not exactly free in the traditional sense, but it's a way to travel on a shoestring budget while giving back to the world. There are countless organizations out there that offer volunteer opportunities abroad, from building schools and clinics in developing countries to working with wildlife conservation projects. These organizations often cover your accommodation, food, and sometimes even your flights in exchange for your time and skills. One of the most popular platforms for finding volunteer opportunities is Go Overseas. They have a massive database of programs all over the world, ranging from a few weeks to a year or more. Volunteering abroad is not just about giving back. It's also an incredible way to immerse yourself in a new culture, learn new skills, and broaden your horizons. If you're up for it, it can be one of the most rewarding experiences of your life. So there you have it, guys. My insider secrets to traveling the world for free, or at least close to it. I'm telling you, if you're willing to put in a little effort and get creative, there's a whole world out there just waiting to be explored. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys, and remember, the world is your oyster. Get out there and explore it.